Morning, everyone. It's 8:22, and I'm doing this a little earlier today because there's nothing that's coming at 8:30 that we need to include. Okay, this is video number 590. It's Monday morning's pre-opening comment. So, Bitcoin finally pulls back a little. Made the high on Friday, 42,730. Then overnight, it has been as low as 32,960. So these are the kind of pullbacks that, if you're involved, you'll have to get used to. Seemingly self-correcting. As I've been mentioning, that when something goes parabolic like this, it has to come back in a bit. We closed the gap here around on this big day up. We had a gap to the upside, and then we came all the way back down, closed the gap, and went higher again. So I'm thinking we could get down to 30,000 here pretty easily. Maybe not today, maybe not for a day or two, but it looks like it will happen. In the news, we have Asia and Europe both down, oil down, the U.S. dollar up slightly, and if you look at my work from last night, my charts with comments, you'll see that I was looking for that type of a move, possibly up to the 92 area. The gold has been all over the place. Let me go back here a page, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Last night it opened, it was up about $18 or $20. And then it turned back down and went negative about $20. This morning, about an hour ago, it was up $15 again, and today it's up right now just $3.50, and it's really not too visible here. Although, we have gotten down. I'd like to see us close above the 200-day MA. That would definitely be helpful for a move back up into the 1900 area, even if it was to fail and go down. I feel kind of foolish because I should have seen this. In fact, I did see it. I just didn't think it was as significant as it was. You have almost an identical price-wise, chart action-wise, before coming back down. So we'll have to see how this one goes sideways. The futures are showing a down opening in the Dow of about 210, the NASDAQ about 90 or so, and the S&P about 25. As I mentioned, the oil is down a little, and there's not much news out. There are some earnings later. Parler has been deleted from both Apple and Google Play stores. This is a site that just came onto the scene recently, and it's been heavily favored by Trump supporters. There's a lot of hate speech on it, and so it's been deleted. You can't get it. As I mentioned, the Bitcoin pullback, it pairs about 170 billion off the cryptocurrency markets. Baidu looks like they're getting into the EV business. They partnered with Geely, Geely, which is a Chinese automaker. Stripe has deleted the ability to make Trump donations, and JP Morgan, Citi, and Marriott have suspended political donations. So, there's a lot of diverse news, none of it seemingly terribly important. But I will say that this move down, I think, may strongly help our put position in Facebook, which is currently down around $5, and also our position in UVXY, It's the second half of a position. We have no real money in it because we took 100% gain on the day that we got into it, which is the day of the mess in Washington. All right, everyone, have a good morning. I'll be back later, and you know where to find me. And please, if you like the work, please subscribe and hit that notification button so that you'll be aware whenever we put anything out. Have a good one.